Are your orders on the Jack in the Box application not showing, or are you having any kind of tracking issues? Well, here are some things that you can try in order to make sure that your orders are showing properly and you're not having any problems regarding. First, if you're having any kinds of problem on the website, you need to make sure that your internet connection is actually working. Swipe down from your notification center and make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. If you had internet problem previously, now the website should be able to work. However, if you are still facing any problem, you want to force quit the app first and open the website again. If you are doing it on the application, you can do that same over there as well, and this should refresh the page and it should be working. However, if this doesn't work out either, you want to simply tap on these three bars over here and you'll be able to see sign in or log in options over here if you are not logged in. However, if you are logged in, you'll be able to see the log out option. You want to log out and into your account once, and you shouldn't be facing any problems. But if you're still facing any problems, it might be the device's fault and not the app itself. So you want to restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.